And it's with great power comes great responsibility. And the children are our future, and we all have a responsibility to do whatever we can to help them be successful and reach their fullest potential in life. Hi, I'm Jennifer Martinez, and I'm the administrative assistant here at Rolling Green Elementary. They call me the keeper of the keys, the principal's right hand, so I go wherever I'm needed. Whatever happens at this school, I'm at the forefront of trying to provide solutions and academic success for students and for teachers. In addition to outlining the board every day, providing coverage, assisting with lunch duty, partnering with students that come in, they'll come into my room, receive a break, sometimes they need a hug, sometimes it's just a quiet place. I love doing that and interacting with the students. I participate in all of our SAC meetings, every single parent engagement night, and I love what I do and making an impact on the students here, but also the staff and the community. I believe that we go above and beyond every day in all that we do in the education field, so to receive such recognition to what I consider to do what I love is very meaningful to me.